for a sleigh ride? Wookie, go on. Come on, Wookie, you can push. Come on. Come on. And Looney's pulling. Good job. Sprout, you gotta get on.
Mira si sos hijo de puta. Mira el quilombo que me hiciste, boludo. Parece como que tuviera 7.000 millones de...
What are you doing?
Oh, it's a good girl.
Тримай нога.
You comfortable, Wonky? You chilling?
You are killing me, and you are guaranteeing your spot attached to the fence with a hose and some shampoo. This, oh my God, this is my dog.
Baby's so nice. Lupi, me vas a romper mi calcetín.
That would be nice. Oh my god, this guy's scaring me.
My daughter's dog thinks he's a baby. Look at him. Ash, you're not a baby.
Did you enjoy your dinner? Got some food on your chin. I love you.
Reggie, we're stranded. What are we gonna do?
No, dude, don't push it in. What's this?
Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you. Okay.
Can't have this in the house. Leave it.
Bear, are we sleeping?
Squirrel!
Nope.
Hey!
We are live from Sky Fox 1. Crackhead on the loose. Last seen smoking crystal meth out of a Pepsi can.
My dog aren't the cutest ones on the... What are you doing?
Did you go trick or treat? Can I have a piece? Can I have a piece?
It's gonna fall on Mr. Mutt.
No, don't eat that. Oh, no.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, would you look at that.
Harper, what are you doing? Oh my goodness.
Give me the garbage can. Atlas, give me the garbage can.
Look at your goofy. Look at you, bro. You ugly as the fuck. I said, y'all. Get your list.
You're jumping.
No. Wow.
Look at that.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
Come on, Pretzel. Let's go. Come on. In. Come on. Let's go in your crate. Come on.
没尿那个笼子里啊？
哎呦我操，那吃翻了呢咋还？它撂笼里了，我换了。
Sit down. No.
Stinky. Back here. Artie, what's the cow say? Yeah, good boy. Where's the cows?
You wanna come cuddle with me?
But I think he's finally ready, and I want to get going before he chickens out again.
What are you doing in the bed? Who said you could go in the bed?
Sit on the ground and pee now.
I don't think I've ever seen anything like this.
Come to Walmart. I'm sorry. You guys stay, okay? You gotta stay. Okay, let's go. Come on. Okay, let's go. Hold on, I gotta get my wallet.
Oh my god! ¡That's a bueno! ¡Gones!
Agua. 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 Agua.
Oh, that's liquor. That's liquor. That ain't, oh, that's liquor.
What do you do if your dog thinks his stuffed animal's real because of the squeaker, so he dumps out half his food for his buddy?
Show everyone your underbite.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Go, I woo if you're a little shit. Yep, that's what I thought. Come on, this is a board. Come here, hon.
I can't keep up with the filming.
Give me a kiss.
And I won't get in the trash can. And I won't pee on the floor. Say amen.
You ready to take a bath? Where you going? Hey.
Yep. Santa Claus is very upset with you.
Did you get it? Did you get it? Do you love me?
You've got this whole yard. And they got to play right here.
Oh, Cakes! Are you okay? Come on, Cakes!
Okay. Woo-hoo. Oh my goodness. Oh shit, we dropped the controller. Oh shit.
Say
It doesn't even have batteries, you idiots. What are you? It does. Oh!
You want to go to the bark park?
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that? Get him, boy. Get him, Dry.
His first time trying a pickle. I don't think he's gonna eat it. Let's see.
Who said you'd come in?
You woke yourself up, baby.
Hey Bruno, you don't see the problem with that? Hey, don't ignore me.
I said call him.
You comfy, hon? How's that belly?
Copper. Copper. Come on. Go. Come on. You can do it.